Hi, I'm Ryan Cummings from R&R Law Group. Welcome to Your Brother at Law. Here, we break Arizona law in simple, straightforward terms. Whether you need tips or insights on legal processes, I'm here to make the law easier to understand. Let's dive in and make legal knowledge more accessible for everyone.
You have a current case and you're released to pretrial services. What does that mean? My name's Ryan with the R&R Law Group. Pretrial services, or PTS, is something that you may see on your release conditions. Again, this is most commonly found when you have a felony case or you've been charged with a felony. You go through the initial appearance process and then they assign you to pretrial services. What that means is that you're going to basically have like a pre-probation officer. This is somebody that you're going to check in with after court dates. This is potentially somebody that can check in with you while the case is ongoing. But think about it as like I'm on probation before my case is resolved. Now, the good news in these types of cases is when you're placed on pretrial services and you do well, that pretrial service officer is going to write a report for the judge to talk about how well you're doing. Now, if you're not doing so well, the PTS officer could also then try and submit a report to the judge asking to revoke your bond, meaning they want to take you off of pretrial services, put you back into custody. Now, what are some of the other things that you can have on pretrial services? You can have EM, which is electronic monitoring. That means that you're going to have an ankle brace on while you're doing pretrial services. You can have a curfew. They can have drug and alcohol monitoring, meaning you might have to go and test for drugs, for alcohol, all while you are on this pretrial services. Again, like a pre-probation. The thing I like about it, though, is if you do well on it, it's an excellent way in order to say, hey, look, I have fixed whatever I was charged with. If it was an aggravated DUI, let's say, and you do drug and alcohol monitoring, now you can say, hey, look, I've had 10, 12, 14 clean urinalysis that show negative for any alcohol, negative for any drugs. That's something that's going to be a big mitigating factor for you in your case. So although pretrial services seems like it could be a hassle, ultimately it can help you out if you're doing well. But regardless, give us a call and we can talk you through it.
Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We'll see you in the next video.